Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, January 30th. We started off somewhat in a choppy, slow fashion in the overnight session, and then we started seeing firming coming from the soybean complex. Then around the 4:30 hour this morning, we really got a shot up in oilseed prices, upwards in the neighborhood of around 20 cents in the beans, around $6-7 in the soybean meal, up around 40 points in the oil. That spurred on some support in the corn and the wheat, and those markets as well made new highs at that 4:30 hour. Most of it, however, looks like it was technical driven, as the corn, beans, and meal all made new highs for the move. But we still continue to have the ongoing storylines of keeping an eye on South American weather. I think the biggest thing as far as South American weather goes is that last year they had problems with a corn and bean supply, and that pipeline is not filled in right now. And as we are only in January, February, we still have some more time to go to try and get grains harvested, moved into their pipeline onto ships to go, and perhaps what the trade is also looking at, the U.S. continue to stay in the export game. So we continue to have that as a supportive feature. Other than that, we'll have our ethanol report out later this morning. Obviously, we got to pick up our grind there. Tomorrow morning, we'll have our weekly export sales out. We'll continue to see if we are still doing this bean and meal business, which has been supporting the market overall. It also has been impressive seeing the open interest come back into the marketplace, up strong in yesterday's trade. So once again, it's January, February, not March, April. We're waiting for South American supplies and a better handle on their weather. Once again, this is my opinion, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.